Okay, great stuff. So let's do question 204 and carry on. Well, 205. So let's do, this is all, we're entering the world of target costing, and this is pretty straight. I've always liked this area because you're really just trying to. So again, we're moving away from the idea that you have any control in the market. You receive a market price, and that's what you work with, and then you now have to become efficient and sort of carry out some value analysis to find out what it is your clients actually want with the product. Cut out what they don't want, so you can bring the costs right down, because that's you have very little power over the price, and we see that exactly here. Target price is £100. That's the best you're going to get for this thing. Your strategic leaders or your CEOs want 15% of this, so they want a profit of £15 in effect, so 15% of this, which means that you're left to work with a cost of £85. That's the best. Right now it's costing you £90 to make a unit. Not good enough. It needs to come down. Question is, by how much? Well, by £5 a unit. And that's what's happening here. So the argument is, we're starting from the top. We have a target price. We have a desired profit. We now have a target cost. And your target cost is the £85. Right? And then this is what's currently existing. You need to bring it down. So there we are for that one. Then exactly the same thing we're going to do here. You're currently doing 800. 20% of this is 160, which means that therefore your target cost, if you like, is now 640. Right? So you need to bring this down. You're currently doing 700. It needs to come down. It needs to come down by 60 a unit. So the answer is B over there. So that's the key point. Find what the target cost is. So here they think they're trying to be funny. They're saying, oh, it's £95 a month. Well, upgrade it, take it to a year. So 95 times 12. 95 times 12 takes us to 1140. 1140. So that's what you're currently doing right now. Anyway, your people want 10%. So 10% of that is 120. So 1,200 minus 120 takes us to 1080. So that is the desired or the target cost. You're currently at 1140. So that needs to drop. So you need to bring down 1140 by 60. You need to bring it down by 60 if you're going to get to the desired target profit. So it's £60 a year. And I believe the final question in this area is question 208. We see the same scenario here. In fact, I feel it's a repeat of what we just did. Oh no, maybe not. No, it isn't. So you have 20% here of 100. Take away the 20%. 20%. So your target profit is 80. You're currently doing 80, so you don't need to do anything right now. So the answer here is D, because you're on the spot, on the money, so to speak. Okay, great stuff. And we will finish that section of questions there and then jump into the next set of questions.